The Onlyfire Pellet Grill Smoker offers a versatile cooking experience with its 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to grill, sear, bake, barbecue, smoke, braise, roast, and chargrill. Precise temperature control is a standout feature of this grill, thanks to its smart digital temperature control system that ranges from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This grill is designed for portability with a compact size and lightweight structure, making it ideal for outdoor adventures like camping, tailgating, and RV trips. Featuring a total cooking surface of 252 square inches, it provides ample space for grilling a variety of meats and vegetables. The grill includes a stainless steel meat probe and a digital LED screen to easily monitor and manage cooking temperatures for perfect results. Its chimneyless design ensures efficient smoke circulation, enhancing the wood-fired flavor in your dishes, making it a fantastic option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts.